So that's Bharat and me and the Himalayan. Bharat is on his GS310. I'm on the Himalayan. We are headed out on a trip. A quick, short night ride. That's Bharat with his fantastic ox lamps. That light up the road. तेरे को चाय यहीं पे पीना है कि थोड़ा और दूर चलें? महाब्स के आसपास चलें? महाब्स के आसपास जाके चाय पिए? To Chayur now. From Chayur we plan on heading to we're going to be taking a nice route today from Chayur to Tindivanam and from Tindivanam to back home. Well, this is one of those most beautiful places. I will share a small snippet of how this place looks in the evening. I'm on a bridge on top of a beautiful river. I will just share a clip of how this place looks in the evening. You guys are sure going to be amazed at how beautiful this place is. Sad that I'm not able to capture any of nature's beauty now at this moment because the sun's down, but yeah, we'll keep it for some other day. This fella is blocking me intentionally. Is he or is he drunk? That's the thing with motorcycles. You can pass these buffoons, I mean, just like that without even thinking twice. But if that were a car, I would have had a tough time. Very careful not to mess things up. Doing about 80 kms per hour, 70 to 80 kms, holding this speed and not more. Keeping it steady, disciplined. Very, very important night rides that you are disciplined. Keep your cool, be focused, don't get excited about anything. Just be steady, roll steadily, and be fully aware of everything around you. Anything can go wrong, just about anything can go wrong. यहीं पे दिखा रहा है ना? अभी ये रास्ते में क्या है पता है? डेंजर। ये पंचर और एक्सीडेंट्स हो सकता है, बहुत खतरनाक। One needs to be very careful on these roads. There's a lot that could go wrong. But nice twisty roads, fun. Proper village roads. You just cannot afford to make the tiniest of errors here. It's because you would be asking for trouble then. Oh, there's a big mountain on my left hand side. A lovely, lovely trail. This is supposed to be a trail that climbs up the mountain. Fantastic. रास्ता देखा? पहाड़ के ऊपर रास्ता। This is not a highway machine, and neither are these safe highways, but this is as safe as it gets. This is the national highway, and there you go. Talk about safety, and here we go. Fellas coming up on the opposite side of the road as if it belongs to them. Okay, we'll stop at some food corner and then get back to you. The GS is just wonderful on the highway. It just cruises like it was butter. Just makes a joke out of the highway. And well, this fella, the moment the road turns to off-road, has all the fun in the world. The GS suffers the off-road, the off-road sections, but the Himalayan just makes a joke out of the whole of it. Well, from the rear they look like this. The two machines look like this. The Himalayan, of course, is slimmer, very slim profile compared to the GS. The GS is quite wide. A lot of it is the bodywork. If you were to strip the bodywork, it's just half the size of my machine, sparing the tire. But there's a lot of bodywork that adds to the bulk. Other than that, what else? From this side, the motorcycles look cool, don't they? Yep, so that's today's business. Having food here and then heading back home. That's about it. A quick short ride, night ride of sorts. That's Bharat, and this is gobi masala and butter naan and gobi masala. exiting the dhaba. Back on the highway. There we go.